Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Alright guys, on this tutorial I'm actually going to draw the rectangle out to make your tape. Now you want to make sure that the tape layer is selected right here, and you want to make sure it's above the master copy like I said earlier. And what you want to do is you want to come over here to the marquee tool, and if you're not on there and you want to do a shortcut, you can just hit M and automatically get the marquee tool. So let me show you that real quick. You just hit M and it automatically does it for you. Now what you want to do is you want to actually click and drag a small little piece of tape just like that, maybe even a little smaller. It looks pretty good. You can also go to refine edges over here, and you can make it more contrasty if you like. We actually want it a little feathered. I'm actually going to hit OK now. And we can click and drag our tape just by moving it like that. And what we're going to want to do is fill this in with a gray color, and then we can finally free transform it and turn it sideways. But we're going to do that in the next tutorial.